third grade builder, number 35. We're going to start by adding 333 plus 95 in the ones place. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then the tens, 9 plus 3 makes 12, and 12 tens makes 100 with 2 tens left over. And then 3 hundreds plus 100 makes 400, so our sum is 428. Now we're going to subtract 900 minus 44. I have a 0 in the ones place, and I'm going to subtract 4. And I can't do that. I've got more on my floor, so I'm going to go next door, but nobody's home, so I'm going to go to my hundreds place and take one of those hundreds and turn it into 10 tens. Still can't do 0 minus 4, but now I can take one of my tens and regroup it for 10 ones. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus nothing is 8. Our difference is 856. Now we're going to multiply. 3 times 9, I can count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. I can get my answer. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1, that one's easy. There's our mirror. 3. 3 times 7 would be 21. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6. And 10 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 10 equals 30. Addition, subtraction, fact families, they give us 7 plus 8 equals 15. We're going to flip-flop our two add-ins here and add 8 plus 7, which also gives us a sum of 15. And with our subtraction problem, we take our largest number here, the 15, minus 7 equals 8. We've got to keep the 15 at the beginning. 15 minus 8 equals 7. So in our fact family, we have the same 3 family members in that family, 7, 8, and 15. Now in multiplication division, we're going to use the same family members here of 4, 10, and 40. 4 times 10 equals 40. We're going to flip-flop our two factors. 10 times 4 equals 40. For division, just like subtraction, we have to have our largest number to start off our division problem. So 40 divided by 4 equals 10. We're going to put 40 divided by, and I'm going to use my other number here, 10. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. Same numbers in that fact family. Write the value of the underlined digit. They've underlined the 6, and in this number, that's in the hundreds place, so that 6 has a value of 600. Multiple representations. Adam bought 4 packs of gum. Each pack has 8 sticks of gum. How many sticks of gum did Adam buy? You could draw 8 sticks on each one. Or you could be a little more efficient and just write the number 8 on each one. Now to describe this as a multiplication sentence, we've got 4 groups of 8 in each one. And we can count by 8s to figure this out. We've got 8, 16, 24, 32. So our product is 32. On area, we're looking for square units. Area, our area picture here looks a lot like an array. It is an array. We've got 3 rows with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each row. So I can count each one, or I can say 6, 12, 18. We've got 18 altogether. So the area of this figure is 18 square units. On our number line, We need to label our number line first. Here we have 0, we have 100, so I know the middle would be 50. And then if I have 0 and 50, the middle would be 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300, 325, 350, 375, 400, 425, 450, 475, 500. Now we're going to put these numbers on our number line. 30 would come over here after the 25, before 50. 210 would be right here in between 200 and 225. And 465 is bigger than 450 but less than 475. Now we're going to use that number line to help us round. 30 rounded to the nearest hundreds place. So to the nearest hundred would be either 0 or 100. And 30 is closer to 0. 210 rounded to the nearest hundreds place. So here's 200 and here's 300. It comes in between 200 and 300 and it's closer to 200. And then 465 comes in between 400 and 500 and it is closer to the 500. And our vocabulary. The amount of space on the surface of a two-dimensional shape is the area. The distance around the outer edge of a figure is the perimeter. Splitting into equal parts or groups. For splitting things up, we're using division, dividing. The answer when you divide is called a quotient. And then a group of numbers that is related to each other. Related, so it's a family, a fact family.